What's up, guys? Thomas Feng with Bay Area Connect. Welcome to this week's Friday's financial update brought to you by Joe Lima of Princeton Capital. Joe, why don't you first get us caught up on current interest rates?
Thanks, Thomas. Well, after the dust settled from last week to this week, interest rates are right around the same. 30-year fixed with 0 points, starting off with a conforming loan, so that's loans up to $417,000. You're looking at an interest rate between 3.75 and 3.875, depending on the equity and down payment in the property. A 30-year fixed on an agency jumbo, so that's a loan amount above $417 and capped off at $625,500. You're looking at an interest rate between 3.875 and 4%. And then on a jumbo loan, so loans above $625,500, you're looking at an interest rate between 4.25 and 4.375. And the FHA loans, for some of you home buyers out there with low down payment, 3.5% down, you're looking at an interest rate well below 4%, all the way down to 3.625, could be up to 3.875, so right in that range there.
Great, thanks for that update, Joe. So again, every week we're going to get you caught up on some financial topics that might affect us in the real estate market in Silicon Valley. So Joe, what's new?
Well, there was a little volatility in the interest rates compared to the previous couple of weeks. A lot of it had to do with, again, the European markets and mainly Greece. So Monday, Tuesday, there was some favorable news for interest rates, not so favorable as far as the concerns in Europe. But Wednesday, there was a meeting from the European Union, which is a lot like the Fed for us over here in the States. They govern economic policy and trade. And that meeting, that summit, didn't really do a whole lot as far as new policy or new changes, but it did ease some of the tension that was there with Greece and some of their problems. So the later portion of the week did cause for a little volatility unfavorably for interest rates. But when the dust settled, we're current to where the rates were last week.
Great, thanks for that update, Joe. Let me give you guys right now a real estate update for the city of Cupertino and West San Jose. For April of 2012, we had a total of 94 new listings, 10 in the 700s, 6 in the 600s, 8 in the 500s, and 12 below 400, for a total of 36 out of 94 new listings below 700K. For April 2012 sold listings, we had a total of 92, 11 in the 700s, 8 in the 600s, 9 in the 500s, and 7 below 400K, for a total of 35 out of 92 sold listings sold below 700K. So right now in the Cupertino area, we're definitely noticing about a third of the market is below 700K, while 2/3 is above that price. For an in-depth market report, check out my blog at bayareaconnect.com. And as the real estate market is constantly changing, let's sit down, discuss your situation, what the market is like, and really what to expect as a home buyer. Give me a call, 408-840-3852.
And for any questions on mortgage-related topics, you want to see how much you can get pre-approved for, give me a call, Joe Lima, Princeton Capital, 408-872-3043.